Hi to everyone. I'm David from Tasker. We are a manufacturer of Italian cables, and my role in this company is a technical manager. And we are here in the fair to present some news product for the 2020. It's in particular some cables that are very good for outdoor installations. And we make many kind of, for example, for DMX cables, LAN cable, Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7 cables, and with the coaxial cable, run 12 gigs installations. Also, we present a huge range of our connector with our brand. And you can find everything of these products and more of 700 of other items on our website. That is tasker.it, where you can find also catalogs and all the data sheets of each product. Thank you.